trying to decide between OpenOffice and LibreOffice for your office needs? Let me break it down for you. Today we are comparing two free open source office suites that have been around for years. Both OpenOffice and LibreOffice let you write documents, build spreadsheets, and create presentations. They read Microsoft Office files and run on Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. OpenOffice was the original project that many people used for over a decade. It offers a complete set of tools including Writer, Calc, Impress, and Draw. Development has slowed down in recent years, which shows in the interface and feature updates. LibreOffice started as a fork of OpenOffice with more active development. It has gained many improvements, including better Microsoft Office compatibility and modern file format support. The community behind it keeps pushing regular updates and security patches. The key difference is development activity and future support. LibreOffice receives regular updates while OpenOffice has become mostly stagnant. LibreOffice also handles modern document formats better and offers more extensions. For features, LibreOffice supports more file types and includes better PDF editing tools. OpenOffice still covers the basics but lacks newer features like improved collaboration or cloud integration. Both handle standard tasks adequately. Pricing is simple since both are completely free. You download and use them without paying anything. So, which should you choose? If you want active development and better compatibility, pick LibreOffice. If you prefer the classic interface and do not need modern features, OpenOffice still works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more software comparisons. See you next time.